Hey guys, good afternoon. LiveTraders.net with you, bringing you about 3 trades that we took on Friday, and a lot of community private messages to me if I can do a quick recap of the trade. I'll give you a little bit of a market recap as well with the trading. Obviously we're this uptrend in the market. The main thing that you want to watch for the day traders, this levels right here. We break this here. We're checking. We're definitely retesting this. Now we take this out Friday, then we can see 110. A couple things that are really playing out here in the market. Obviously, extreme weakness in Apple. This chart looks just like the Qs chart. If you were to put Qs here, it looks just like the Qs. And then the energy, that's really driving the market down. And if you look at the energy sector is looking really weak. So wanted to kind of quickly talk about the market here, what we think of, but what I do think as far as a spider goes, and I like to stay disciplined and see what prices give me. If market gaps over here, you'll see the 212 retested before we retest 208. So it all depends. One thing to watch out, this rip roaring green bar right here that we actually challenged the uptrend and put a massive bottoming tail, but we closed right into the resistance, kind of a doji right here, and um, and then you have this bar that's penetrating very deep into this green bar with volume 80%, kind of this volume is being totally engulfed 80%. So setting up some weakness. The only thing that is holding this market up is this nice uptrend on IWM, unprecedented right here. Hasn't really challenged or anything. This market lagged it, but now it's leading the market higher. So keep an eye on it. Obviously, financials are helping IWM stay higher. All right, so let's take a look at it, how we did the week. This week in livetraders.net, I'm showing the results for 6/12, which was Friday. 3 trades that I personally call CTXS, BOB, and MW. And this is MW trade, and that's BOB, that's CTXS. About 24.21 just for Friday. Had a nice week in the markets. These are our results. Um, these are weekly results, and I'll show you the weekly results right here, right over here. So let me just bring it up here for you guys. Uh, that's my Apple Watch. If you're wondering what this is, that's my Apple Watch. I just tweeted this, and here are the results. So nice week for us. Nice Friday for us. And let me just go over because a lot of interest right here. So first thing I want to talk about is CTXS. And I've actually tweeted this in the morning, as I always do, to add value for the add value for the community here. If you look at it here, what I want to show you here, first I want to go to June 11th. June 11th, look at this, June 11th, ISIS, CTXS, and Men's Warehouse, long, right? June 12th, June 12th, Men's Warehouse, CTXS long. Guys, it's so very important to understand which stocks to keep it on your follow through items, follow through watch list for next day. CTXS on a follow through watch list. Why? If you like to really get into, if you really want to get into the nuances of gap and how we trade gap, take a look at livetraders.net professional trading strategy course. That course goes really deep into the gaps, the nuances, its attributes, and what we look for to take the gap. Now, one thing that I do wanted to talk about here on CTXS, when you look at the CTXS right here, here's what you want to see on CTXS. CTXS, the high of the bar is 71.46. Now let me show you right here on CTXS. Now look at this CTXS. What do you see on CTXS? Long 71.45 by $71 at 9:33 a.m. That's 3 minutes into the market. This was a professional strategy, a professional strategy. Any trades that you take, we take, I take, traders take from 9 a.m. to, I would say, especially 9:45 a.m. Those are professional trades. That means those trades have gonna have some follow through. They're gonna be on their own. But this was one of them. Gap over the green bar, that wasn't really tradable right here. Now look at this 1 minute chart. What you see on this 1 minute, the reason I'm bringing the 1 minute chart because I want to compare with the 15 minute chart. This is what I did. This is what I did for the room. This is what I did for the room. And I said, guys, if this we penetrated into this demand area, I want to get it, I want to get long. We penetrated into the demand area. Look at this red bar, look at the volume. No volume, that means there weren't any sellers. Then we get engulfed. This was the trade, 71.45. Stop $71. I could have given it a little bit here, but I like to give a little bit wider stop during the morning time because the volatility. Bam, we took it higher, took nice profits on CTXS. Next trade was Men's Warehouse. Next trade was Men's Warehouse. That's another one that we kept it on the follow through list. This was nice. This was really nice. What made Men's Warehouse nice? Well, let's take a look at Men's Warehouse. Men's Warehouse, after the Gap sold off, which no surprise why it sold off. It consolidated a 62 area, made a 62 area per significant area to watch. All day it consolidated. If we take out 62 area, this is going higher. Where is the next? Where is going to be the next target? Right over here is going to be next target, about 62.90ish, and we took out about 62.88. That's where we took out the Men's Warehouse. Here's a trade on Men's Warehouse right here. Men's Warehouse long 62 by 61. Now we could have used this as a stop 61.50. I didn't like this stop. I liked a little bit wider stop right here. Could have used this, made more money, but I didn't like it. But once we came back, put this, this was an ad, and right over here, Men's Warehouse right here at 63. A lot of folks ask me, why did I not take this to higher to 63.50? Just like I like to trade my whole numbers, I like to protect my whole number. Once this happened right here, this right here, keep an eye on this. Once this happened, the time is 12:15. That's close to where is a reversal time as well. So 12:15 right over here, and then I'll bring it down to the 5 minutes chart for you if you would look at it, and that's where I did analysis in the room. Look what happened, double top, and this is kind of failed breakout right here. But nonetheless, what we did know from the hourly chart that this is going to be somewhat a profit taking right here. So that's what we see. You saw this right here. We already lined. So that was it. And the last trade was BOBE. BOBE, a little bit obviously this takes a little bit more experience to understand why you want to trade, why you want to short BOBE while the entire world is bullish on this gap. Well, not me, not us in Live Traders chat room. We were short 47.74 by 47.90. So right over here, 47.74 by 47.90, and we made money on Bob, as you can see this right here. We made money on Bob. And why did I short it? Well, let me show you why. Because look at this where it's at, declining 20 MA into the resistance. Keep an eye on this volume. I'm very big on volume. On my chart, all you find is volume, price, 21 MA and 50 MA. But you're right close to the flat 200 MA that often act like the wall of China, and it's gapping right into this. Some traders are thinking, wow, we're gapping over this, we're gapping over this, and then this is going higher for 50 bucks is the minimum target. On the other hand, livetraders.net traders, we're not thinking this going higher. We want to fade this, and we want to fade this as much as we can. And look how we faded it. And I'll show you the strategies that we cover in PTS. This bottoming tail right here, look at this. Try to take out the highs. Immediately get get rejected. Igniting bar. Look at the volume. Igniting bar consolidates. Now I put an aggressive trade here. 47.74 by 47.90 because I knew if we took out this, we're going higher. And I said that in a room. Bam. We took targets. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Way before we took target, I said, Bob, target right here at 47.43. It's right over here. 47.43. We took target right into this. The low is 47.30. We took target into 47.43, and that's where we took target for Bob Evans Farms, and that's how we traded this. So wanted to bring in for the community three trade videos for you to take a look at it and see what you like. If you're interested, come check us out at livetraders.net. Livetraders.net. Come check us out. 1 week trial for $25. Right over here, we offer coaching, professional strategy courses, so on and so forth. If you're interested, come check us out for 1 week trial. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and we will see you with the next video.